Hey guys, Brandon from SK Mechanic here. The story that I often share with my new customers is how I ended up in the industry. When I was about 15 years old, I had a car, went out one night, got where I needed to go, and it decided it wasn't going to start on me again. I could turn the key and it would just sit there and crank and crank and crank, but the engine would never fire up. I had it towed back to my house, and with limited tools and knowledge, decided I was going to go to the parts store and blow every penny I had on parts I thought it could be. After spending just about all that I had and as much time as I was willing to spend on it, still wouldn't start. At that point, I had it taken to a shop and dropped it off, confident that I'd get my car back fixed, and that I did. But the experience of how we got from start to finish was a little unsettling. I had not heard much from the shop. Multiple days, weeks went by, and I finally got a phone call while I was at school one day that my car was ready to be picked up and that my total was hundreds of dollars. Well, being 15 years old, having just started my first job, bought my first car, $500 was a lot of money, and I didn't know how I was going to swing that. Eventually, I was able to come up with the money and go and get my car. After leaving, I thought, what can I do to prevent this from happening again? And that was when I decided that I wanted to pursue a career in the automotive industry. That led me on through participating in high school VOTEC, going to Pittsburgh State University to get a degree in automotive technology, and eventually ending up right here at SK Mechanic, where I work every day to make sure our customers don't have to experience that for themselves.